Let's make a traditional Southern breakfast. Sausage, gravy, and biscuits, but let's make it vegan. A lot of people are hesitant about making gravy, but in this recipe, it comes out perfect every time. Sausage, gravy, and biscuits is a long-time staple of Southern breakfast. Both my husband and I have roots in the South, and one of his favorite breakfasts is sausage, gravy, and biscuits. So early in our marriage, I asked my grandmother, who hails from Mississippi, how to make it. Today, I'll be sharing that recipe with you, but we're going to make it vegan. This recipe is super easy. Pour 32 ounces of vegetable broth into a microwave safe bowl and heat for 4 minutes on high. Add 2 tablespoons of miso paste and stir well. Place it back in the microwave and heat for another 2 minutes. Stir well to combine, then pour in the soy curls, mix and let them sit for 20 minutes. While the soy curls are soaking, you can make the sausage seasoning. This recipe is pinned in the comments along with the full recipe. Next, it's time to squeeze the soy curls. Try to remove as much liquid as possible. Stay tuned to the end to see how I get my soy curls super dry. Heat your oven according to the package directions to cook the biscuit. In a saute pan or cast iron skillet, heat 2 to 4 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Now add the soy curls and 3 heaping tablespoons of the sausage blend. Cook until the soy curls start to get crispy, but not burnt. If they start to stick, you can add up to 2 more tablespoons of oil. You want the bottom of the skillet to look like this after cooking. Once you've achieved this look, add 2 heaping spoonfuls of all-purpose flour into the skillet and stir well. If after adding the flour, the bottom of your skillet looks like this, you can add a little more flour to soak up the excess oil. Cook for 2 to 5 minutes just so that you cook out the raw flour flavor. Next, pour in 8 to 16 ounces of warm plant-based milk and whisk to combine. Don't worry about a bit of oil floating to the top. This is normal. Turn the heat down to low and continue whisking until you achieve this consistency. Slightly runny because the mixture will thicken as it sits. Now it's time to plate our sausage, biscuits, and gravy. Split open the biscuits and pro tip, to make sure the soy curls are as dry as possible so you can get that crunchy exterior while frying, I use a tofu press. Just place them in the press down a little bit, and it removes the liquid easily and neatly. I will be linking the tofu press that I use in the comments below as well.
All right, y'all. So the first bite, I'm sorry I did not take it on camera, but I'll take the next one because I am hungry. Let me tell you, this is my sausage, gravy, and biscuits recipe. Love it. Let me tell you something. If you wanted a vegan version, baby, this is it. It gives you all the flavor like grandma's sausage and biscuits with no meat, no animal products whatsoever. Baby, even the biscuits are vegan. That's right. Thank you so much for tuning in with us to make this sausage, biscuits, and gravy. As I said, being a vegan or a vegetarian and eating soul food is just as easy as pie. Have a good one.